What's up YouTube? Today we have Casio JD-6600 and it's not powering on. Nothing going on here. So I'm assuming battery die. We have two ports of screwdrivers here. Let's go ahead and take it apart. Just use plus screwdriver. And remove the screw. Right here we can see Sony battery. Pop it up. It is Sony CR2032. Let's go ahead and replace it. You can put the original one, but I find this CR2025 and this CR2032 is a little bit different on size. But let's try ahead and place it and see if device powered on. I do not recommend to put not original batteries, but we'll try to see. And we can see nothing powering on. Let's see what we have in this department. And right here we can see two AA batteries that get rusted. Be careful with acid. Do not touch your eyes after you do it. On this part you can see some corrosion, so use some scribble bubble. Make sure you recycle your batteries. Let's use scribble bubble. Just gently put it on a Q-tip and apply it where it's corrosion and rusted pieces, and just wipe it. Just wait a little bit to eat the corrosion. Have two right here. Let's just place them. Place this cover back. And it is on. Check time. You can set it up now. The problem was in these two top batteries. What I will do right now, have a volt tester, but I don't have time for this. I will just unplug this battery, plug this old Sony, and just replace these two. See how it works, and how you can see it is on. Fully function. Thanks for watching guys, click like and subscribe.